Have you started drawing but stopped a few days later? Or find yourself filling a sketchbook and then never opening it again? How about starting a new art practice with the new year and can't even remember when you stopped? If this sounds like you, this class is for you. What if I told you there is an easier way? And I found it. Hi, my name is Fatih, but everybody calls me Fab. I've been doing sketch journaling for years and trying to teach everyone how to do it since 2020. In fact, my very first class was Watercolor Sketch Journaling. In this new format that I call No Effort Sketch Journaling, I stripped down the practice to its essential parts and removed everything that you can use as an excuse to not to continue. I don't have time for it. It only takes 10 minutes or less. I can't do it every day. You don't have to. I don't know how to draw. You don't need to. I don't know how to paint. You don't need to. I'm not talented. No talent is required. Plus, there is no such thing as talent. I'm impatient. You will get results right away. I don't know what to draw. I'll help you with that. No effort sketch journaling is exactly how it sounds like. No effort. It's done with minimum effort, yet it does everything a sketch journal should do. It gives you a space to practice art. It helps you capture memories, it gives you a sense of accomplishment, and most importantly, it helps you to create a habit. Turning this practice into a habit is the most important thing, and I designed this format with this in mind. Habits are formed when there is less friction. And forming a creative habit is good for you mentally, but also it's the only thing that will help you get better at your art. With this in mind, I got rid of pencil sketching, drawing layouts, big sketchbooks, big paints, filling out an entire page, writing, and painting out the entire page. What we are left is a tiny but mighty sketchbook with very artsy paintings inside. So, since you have no excuse left, I will see you inside, right? If you still have an excuse, please write to me directly because I have to hear this BS. Can I say BS? You know, bullshit, Jack? Yes, so write to me directly and I promise I will help you find a solution for it.